Good morning children. Today we will going to do lesson number 4, that is pronouns. In our part 1 of this chapter we have already done two exercises, that is A and B. This is your English grammar book, lesson number 4, pronouns. So today we will going to move a little bit ahead. We will going to do exercise number C, D and E of this chapter. Okay, let us revise the topic pronoun first. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which are used in place of a noun. Pronouns, we have seen in our part 1 what are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the pronouns which are divided into three parts: first person, second person and third person. First person is the speaker, second person is the listener and third person is the person about whom we are speaking. Now it is again divided under singular and plural. When we talk about ourselves, something about ourselves, so we use the pronoun I and me. You is used for both singular and plural. And for singular, the spoken person means the third person. When we talk about the third person, we use he, she, it, him or her. For plural, for first person, for plural under first person we use we and us. For the listener we use you, and for the speaker we use they and them. They and them means when we talk about the group of people. Okay, so let us begin exercise number C. Here, complete the sentence with him, her, it or them. See the first one. I don't drink colas. I don't like it. We are talking about cola drink. So for that we are using it. I don't know that woman. Do you know her? We are talking about a woman. So we have used her. This shirt isn't very warm. I do not wear it. We are talking about shirt. So we have used it. This is my friend Rishi. Have you met him? We are talking about a boy, him. So for boy we use him. Dad forgot the keys at home. Can you give them? We are talking about here keys. So for keys we have used them. And you are asking for the keys. So we have used the pronoun me. Give them to me. Now let us do the next topic, that is the possessive pronouns, which are used to show the belongingness and possession. Possession means the owner of something. Like if something belongs to me. So for myself, I will use the pronoun mine or ours. Like we use mine and ours to talk about things that belong to us. For example, the storybook is mine. Whose storybook we are talking about? We are talking about my storybook. So what pronoun here you will use? The storybook is mine. The brick house is ours. Whose brick house it is? It is ours brick house. Means you and your family. We use yours, hers, his and theirs to talk about things that belong to others. For example, if I say that pen belongs to Anita, it is hers. Whose pen it is? It is Anita's pen. So in place of Anita, we are using hers. So here, let us do this exercise. Let us look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with correct pronouns. Let's start this. Ajay asks Sonia, are these fish hers? The kitten is yours. Karthik asks Puneet, is this ball yours? Abdul said that this parrot is mine. The naughty puppy is theirs. Let us start with a new exercise. Exercise number E. Rewrite the following sentences replacing the underlined words with pronouns. See the first one. Shiva is sad. Shiva will leave soon. Shiva has to go to Delhi. So in place of Shiva, we have replaced it with the pronoun she. Shiva is sad. She will leave soon. She has to go to Delhi. Now in the same way, second, Ankur bought a fountain pen. Ankur is the name of a boy, so it is replaced with he. He gave the fountain pen. Fountain pen is a non-living thing. So for that we use it. Give it to Aisha. Aisha is the name of a girl, so we will replace it with she. Loved it. Again, fountain pen. will be replaced with it. Pooja, I went to watch movie. Pooja and I, two peoples are there. Pooja and I. So we have used what? We. Like the movie a lot. So in place of movie, we will write it. We liked it a lot. Ravi and Rita went to library. Ravi and Rita. So in place of Ravi and Rita, we use they. Here two people are there. They greeted the librarian. The children went to the zoo. The children ate ice cream. Children means more than one child. So we have used they. They ate ice cream. They relished it. Jay had a birthday party. Jay is the name of a boy. So it will be replaced with he. He got a lot of gifts. He liked the puzzle the best. It had 8 pieces. So the puzzle will be replaced with it. We are talking about puzzle, which is a non-living thing. So for that, it will be replaced with it. It had 8 pieces. So in this way, we have done, children, the last exercise of this chapter in part 2. We will be doing the new chapter in our next class. Thank you.